Goodbye, dishwasher, goodbye, dishwasher, goodbye, dishwasher, you are a piece of shit. Goodbye, dishwasher, goodbye, dishwasher, goodbye, dishwasher, you are a piece of shit. The old dishwasher is fighting its removal.
It's stubborn, it wants to stay.
And it's gotta go.
It just wants to live with it.
See you later, alligator. Get the heck out of my house. Na 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 na, na 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 na, hey hey hey, goodbye.
Yeah, right?
You freaking suck. I freaking hate you. Dishwasher, goodbye. Goodbye, dishwasher, goodbye. I will not need to cry. It's really gotta suck to have a McCain sticker on your car in 2012. Haha. There she is, my new dishwasher. Welcome home. I love you so. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. A problem we have to do something about at some point. The wood is very badly rotted. All the particle board, the floor here is rotted away. And all of the particle board is soaked and swollen, which means the beams, everything underneath can't be much better. It's kind of dry over here, but completely rotted back here. Looks like I'm gonna have to be ripping apart this kitchen sooner than I thought.
I'm going to install a new valve here because the one under the sink doesn't shut off completely. We're going to get rid of this and cap this drain line off, and then install a new dishwasher drain pipe underneath the sink so that it drains properly where it should, because we don't know if that old drain is plugged up under there. You said it wasn't draining right. So those are the additional things that I'm going to do for you.
Excellent. The new dishwasher is having trouble fitting because the old counter here is basically man-made, tight fit, wrong size. Not the wrong size technically, but either way it's being a bitch. And this lovely man doesn't want to break my counter, which is kind. He's working so diligently. Get frickin' there. Start from the jigsaw part. Explain that again.
You ready?
Yep.
Mike, you're going to have to cut the front of your countertop here a little bit and make a relief, maybe 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch up on each side, and take this lip out on the front edge so that the dishwasher will fit. It just doesn't slide in. That's the only way to get it in. I can't lift the countertop because it's glued and nailed. It's not screwed. Hope that helps you.
Okay. And it's all connected otherwise,
I don't want to break it, but it's all hooked up. It'll run.
Except for these things need to be screwed in.
Yeah, they get screwed up under the countertop once it's back where it belongs.
Okay.
Other than that, everything is connected. I'll make sure it runs right and everything else.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. It is installed. and functional, but it's not in completely because Mike's got to do a little carpentry here. But it works. Like, it doesn't need anything else except to get into the freaking hole. Very cool. All tested and such. That's what he did with the pipes. Oh, dishwasher.